Hey guys! Today I'm going to show you how to create a presentation for your study or work using Gamma AI, and trust me, this is going to save you so much time. First, head over to Gamma AI and sign up if you haven't already. It's completely free to get started, so no excuses. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard and you'll immediately notice how clean and simple everything looks. Before we jump into creating a presentation, I want to show you something cool that Gamma recently added. You can now generate images directly inside the platform. Just go to the image generation section, type in whatever you want, and boom, a custom image in seconds. Pretty handy if you want unique visuals for your slides without going to another tool. Alright, now let's get to the main thing, building your presentation. Click on Generate, and you'll see you have a few options: presentation, web page, document, or social graphic. Today we're going with presentation. Now let me pick a random subject just to show you how it works. As you can see, you have full control over the whole thing. You can choose how many cards or slides you want, the image style, the art style, the type of writing, whether it's casual or professional, and a lot more. Once you've set everything up the way you like, just hit generate and sit back. In about a minute, seriously, 1 minute, your full presentation is ready. Gamma does all the heavy lifting for you. No more spending hours on PowerPoint trying to make things look good. Now if you want to make any changes, it's super easy. Just click on whatever section you want to edit, type your update, and it adjusts instantly. You can also add videos, images, links, or any kind of embed you want. The flexibility is really impressive. When you're happy with everything, hit present to go into full presentation mode. It looks really professional. And if you want to share it with your teacher, your team, or a client, just hit share and send the link. No need to download anything or worry about file formats. And that's honestly it. Gamma AI makes creating presentations so fast and so easy that there's really no reason to struggle with traditional tools anymore. Whether it's for school, university, work, or even a personal project, this tool has got you covered. Now, if this video helped you out or taught you something new, please hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel grow and tells me you want to see more content like this. And if you're not subscribed yet, make sure you hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. I drop new tutorials regularly and there's a lot more useful stuff coming your way. Thank you so much for watching all the way to the end. I really appreciate it. See you in the next one.